Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to continue our second lesson of information technology. In previous lesson we have learned about four main parts of a computer. In this video we will learn about some helping parts of a computer. Hello children, I have some helping parts too. I have a printer. A printer is used for printing pictures and text on a paper. I have a scanner. A scanner is used to scan photographs or anything that is on paper and display them on the monitor. I have speakers. Speakers are used to listen to music or any other sound. I have a microphone. A microphone is used to record music or your voice. So dear students, in this video we have learned about some helping parts of a computer such as printer, scanner, speakers and microphone. So watch the video carefully, it will help you to understand the helping parts of a computer.